Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here in our Centerview project. This has been one heck of a project. We're finally finished with it just about. We've got to pour the floor. The walls are built. We poured an extra big footing. This was a King Piers design build. They had a set of blueprints on this, but we just ignored the blueprints and built this the way it should be built. All the cells in the walls are concrete filled with rebar. The footings are 3 foot wide, 1 foot thick. We've got 4 footings right here and 4 footings right here holding the center of the house. And I'm just very pleased with how this turned out. King Piers out here in Centerview. Stay with me. We're gonna pour this floor probably tomorrow, maybe let it get a little bit warmer, and we'll be finished. The last thing we'll have to do is pour the stairs coming down. So stay with me, guys. We're just about wrapped up with this. This is quick work. Winter has now hit. It's about 25 degrees. It's a little chilly in here. But I just tell you, I'm just so pleased with this project. I believe King Piers and our crew are the very best in the country. If you got foundation repair or you got a new basement you want to build, give me a call, 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.